Where is he? This is a beer, then vanishes into the night. There he is. Let him in. Come on, Baines, you dolt. Thought you'd been caught by the Rosas. What? Where is it, man? Where's the blessed beer?
There was no beer. It was gone.
Damn it all, I've been waiting. Pretty poor show, Baines, I have to say. What's the matter with you? What sniffles out there?
Yes, I must have. It was cold. Very cold.
I meant spread it about, I don't want your germs. Come on, might as well get some sleep. Come on, chaps, maybe tomorrow. Jackson's got some beer in the pavilion.
It's Baines, isn't it? This isn't very funny, sir.
Just shut up! Stop talking! Cease and desist! There's a good girl!
Mr. Smith? No one home.
The maid was definitely hiding something. A secret around this Mr. Smith.
We both scented him, though. He was plain and simple human.
But maybe he knows something. Where is he?
We asked for silence!
Now then, we have a few questions for Mr. Smith.
No. Better than that. A teacher. He's a doctor. I heard them talking.
You took human form.
Of course I'm human. I was born human as were you, Baines. And Jenny, and you, Mr. Clark. What is going on? This is madness.
Oh, and a human brain, too. Simple, thick, and dull.
But he's no good like this.
We need a Time Lord.
Easily done. Change back.
I don't know what you're talking about. Change back! I literally do not know.
Get off me! She's your friend, isn't she? Doesn't this scare you enough to change back?
I don't know what you mean.
Wait a minute. The maid told me about Smith and the matron. That woman there.
Then let's have you!
Have you enjoyed it, Doctor? Being human? Has it taught you wonderful things? Are you better, richer, wiser? Then let's see you answer this. Which one of them do you want us to kill? Maid or matron? Your friend or your lover? Your choice.